Nice pants.
I'd hit it. I like olive oil looking chicks. I like skinny chicks. Look at that. Look how twiggy her legs are. You know that's a dude, right? That's a little teenager, bro. Little teenage boy. Dave's got it out for her. Everybody watching, you better hide your little boys when Dave comes around. Lock them up in their little playpens. All right, boys and girls, today is a little bit of a bittersweet day because it is our last day in Tennessee. And what are we doing on our last day in Tennessee is we're riding out to Georgia. Riding out to Blood Mountain, Dutchess. And we're on our way to make our last pass on the Dragon. So we really could not have asked for a better week. We got rained on. I wouldn't even consider it a rain. It was pretty much it was a sun shower for about 10 or 15 minutes. And other than that, it's just been beautiful every single day. And it's gonna make it hard to go back home.
2 days ago it poured for like a couple hours, but
we weren't.
It was behind us. Dave rode the Dragon through it.
Insert a little bit of footage right here. Yeah, that was fun. I got wet. Oh man. Oh.
Throwing and shit. That's fucking disgusting.
Dude, that deer leg in the fucking.
Oh my god. That was disgusting.
Could you imagine low shotting and like flopping into that carcass?
Oh man.
Flat in, flop.
I don't know what you're talking about. I thought it looked pretty good.
Oh,
Looked like dinner to me.
I feel like I still smell like fucking blood in my helmet.
That was rotten.
Yeah, it was just scattered everywhere, man. Blood makes your tire sticky though. 360 view, man. Mountains all around us.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
That should be your next investment, like the Fly 360 or something.
Oh, I thought you were talking about a mountain.
And I'm ambitious.
And I can feel the heat from this pavement.
Dude, it looks wet. Look at it.
There's water ahead. Oh, it's gone.
It's a mirage. You know, that's what that was a theory of the Titanic. You know how you just saw water? When the ground or water temperature is like drastically different from the air temperature, it gets that little bit of an effect. And one of the theories was, you know, those guys up in the tower or whatever on the ship, they just saw that it looked just like water. You know, that's why they saw it so late.
Yeah, well, in the movie, they just weren't paying attention, so.
Yeah, rode under ton. What?
Slow down a little bit.
Oh, yeah, that's cool.
Hi, Dave.
What? Is there not a green arrow still?
No.
Jesus, that's because you guys are fucking 10 miles behind me.
Says the guy that said, slow down here, guys.
Yeah, I should have just said fucking speed up because you guys go too slow already. You just had like 10 car lengths between us.
Did you pull in the gas station?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for you guys.
Oh, I see it.
Spent half my vacation waiting for you. La-di-da, 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 da-da-da-da. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill. Fuck it. All that power and you take off like an 18-wheeler. This is a cool little section, ain't it?
Tiny little town.
Yeah, it's cool. We all know each other.
Kissing cousins.
Sister cousin. Yeah, I'll introduce you to my sister cousin. She blew a tap.
This is my sister mother.
She got all her teeth.
My sister mother. I gotta adjust my balls a second. Don't turn yet.
I can't. I gotta turn.
We have a green light.
Or just turn.
I gotta turn, bro.
You have a green
I was
light?
falling over. Did you not see me falling over?
You have these weird things. They're called feet.
This guy knew.
You ever used them before?
Yeah, he trips over them all
On
the
the
time.
left.
You gotta
What
stop
do you got
it.
going up here? A fucking bike, dude. Go around them. What the fuck are we doing?
Seriously, dude. These people act like they've never seen a bicycle before. Like he's over the shoulder, bro.
You got plenty of room. Jesus fuck.
Fucking garbage, dude. I don't want the bikers to think we were doing that at them, but like, holy fuck, dude. Like, all the fucking time in the world. I'm passing if we get it straight.
I can't tell if that's a cop or what, but I mean, they might have pickups like this in here. I don't think so. It looks like a construction. He's got some kind of... Nah, it's not. You're good.
This is ridiculous. You sure that's not a cop?
Yeah, I doubt it. It's a fucking pickup, but it's got a weird grill in the front, but I don't see any,
Yeah, but I've seen pickups. Fucking
Yeah, he doesn't have any markings on the side. Oh, God, this is brutal.
Come on, at least do the fucking speed limit, man.
I know, fucking 10 under, dude. On your left.
Oh, my Lord. This guy.
The lady.
So this is Blood Mountain, eh?
Yep.
Cool, man. Glad we got to do this.
You haven't seen nothing yet. It's better.
Oh, this guy's blowing corners.
Yeah, it's kind of... There's certain spots on this one I think you can kind of get away with it. Laying on the other side, you can see through.
I disagree. Stay in your lane.
Oh, dude, I love this road.
It's nice.
I could just run this back and forth, dude. Honestly, it's really cool dragging me next to a car, too. Oh, I'm glad we came down here, dude.
Yeah.
It was a good ride.
It's awesome because, like, the sweat in your helmet gets cold once you start moving again.
I swear, dude, you can fucking wring your helmet out.
Oh, it was so nasty the other day, dude. I handed my helmet to John. I was like, it's wet, dude. He's like, oh. You made the pretty girl smile in the Jeep, though.
Yeah, she like it.
She got a chick boner.
She probably on my day. She's already flicking the bean.
She got ladywood.
Her front butt got tight.
Bunch of bean flickers.
She got a dampener downstairs. We'd have some views if all these trees were right here. Damn foliage. Damn environment.
I think it's right here, actually. No? Two-wheel.
No, maybe so. Yeah, two wheels.
Yes, sir. There's 2 spots over here for you guys. I saved them.
Okay.
Thanks, bro.
You're welcome.
Nice meme.